All right, everybody. Just gonna go over the market and what's going on and the trades and all of that. So first, the first one is this gold. Look at the middle chart. I have the Renko, and look at that 10. See that? That's the biggest volume in 22 bricks. The biggest volume in 76 up bricks. Right there, you had a breakout and you have follow through, and then you're having the test, and that test is occurring now. So this is a definitive edge, meaning this. When you take a look at these breakout accumulation bricks, you have to ask yourself a question, all right? Okay, they were there. Smart money was there, and because it was there, it pushed prices up. Just like this breakout, it tried to go down, and the bears failed. Bulls picked it up, and they were there to pick it up and take it up, right? So they're there. Now the question is, are they still there? And lo and behold, what does this say? What does this waves tell you? They were there on this 10 right here, right? See this breakout, heavy volume. How much volume I forget, but it's the biggest in 22 bricks, consecutive bricks. And if you're just taking a look at up bricks, biggest in 76 bricks. For sure, this is the smart money following the footprint and all that. That's it. That is the footprint. Okay, they were there and they exerted themselves to break out above resistance and take the market up. Now, when it comes back down there, are they still there? Answer is yes. This is a definitive edge. Take a look at the background. Down, up, down, sweep, and there you go. I really like this because of the spring leading to the all of that. So it's the biggest in the last 5 waves. So I mean, it might sweep again, like do another spring or whatever. But I mean, it's there. This is the trade edge right there, and it has some buying in the background too, which I really like. Anyway, moving on to the next market. All right, so the next market here is the ES, and this market, I mean, it's first of all, a couple of things. Right here, you had a change of behavior and then confirmation broke trend, right? But the thing is, it's setting up the move, the test. This is the counter trend, and as I've explained, although you can take it if you know what you're doing, these types of trades are not recommended because for 2 reasons. One, the pullbacks are always smaller than the rallies, so the reward component of your trade will overwhelmingly be less, right? So that's why the counter trending is the turning point here is not a good idea. The second reason is they have a very high propensity to get up thrusted. When you're counter trending, fading or whatever they call it, meaning selling the rallies, right? Selling the rally, not a good idea. Or say this is the rally and you try to sell it, right? The reward component is lower because there's always some bulls ready to buy the pullback. And the second thing is there's a high degree of the upthrust occurring. That's the problem with shorting a bull market. Even though you might get it right, there'll be an upthrust and then it'll go. Anyway, so this is the counter trend that breaks the high here. The momentum of the highs, the continuous highs. So what am I looking at? I'm looking at this level right here, 417.75 and 4,000. This is area. this area, there's heavy buying pressure there already. So I know that as soon as it gets there, they'll become active and offer the trade. The crude trade today was a basic pullback. I mean, this is the high. So, I mean, that's the high. You had a breakout, and then you had a pullback to test the breakout. On the test of the breakout, you had the change of behavior, and it pulled back to test this wick candle right here, and it went up. So usually I don't want to trade, based on just a change of behavior, because it can fail. So yeah, the level is there and all of that is there, but this wick really was very telling because it actually sprung the low. Meaning it went up and then we tried to go down, it sprung the low and then went. So this is a very nice area to risk and buy off of. Look at the move. All right, that's all, folks. Have a good night.